Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
My name is Samarth.
And my name is Shivam from 9th standard of Ramdas International School.
Today we are here to demonstrate the concept of buoyancy by using the miniature model of ship and submarine. The question may arise, what do we mean by buoyancy? The buoyant force is the force which is exerted on a body when it's completely or partially submerged in the water. The other name for the buoyant force is upthrust. Due to this buoyant force, a body can sink or float on the water.
There are three types of buoyancy. First, positive buoyancy. When an object floats on a fluid, that means there is positive buoyancy acting on it. Second, negative buoyancy. When an object sinks in a fluid, that means there is negative buoyancy acting on it. Third, when an object is in the middle of the fluid, that means there is both of the buoyancy acting on it, which positive buoyancy and negative buoyancy, which means the object is in neutral buoyancy.
The commercial application of buoyancy are hot air balloon, submarine and ship. The ship. Have you ever noticed a ball made of steel sinks in the water while the ship made of steel carrying cargo and peoples float? This is because ship has a larger surface area than the ball, so the water displaced by the ship is more than the ball, hence the ship float with the positive buoyancy.
The submarine. The submarine uses the buoyancy on two different ways. First, when the ballast tanks of the submarine are filled with air, density of the submarine is less than the density of the water, which means the submarine will float on the surface of the water. Whereas, when these ballast tanks are filled with water, the resultant density of the submarine is now greater than the water. It will sink in the water. When the submarine has to come again on the surface of the water, these ballast tanks are now, these compressed air tanks in the submarine are open, which expel the water from the pores on the surface of the submarine, which means that now the submarine will come again on the surface of the water because the density of this submarine is now again lesser than the water.
Hope you understood the concept of buoyancy and the commercial applications of the buoyancy. Thank you.